In our last lesson, we showed you how you can rename a design to quickly find it. Well, we want to show you another time-saving tool, and that is down here. You can add that design to your favorites. There. And if you click on your Favorites tab up here in your browser, you can quickly get to the designs that you use the most. As you can see here, I have added 6 designs into my Favorites tab, and the one that I just added was this design right here. And if you ever want to remove one of these designs out of your Favorites tab, just click on it and then click on the Remove Favorites command here at the bottom. There, and it's gone. It's that easy.